Well friends, here is the next problem. The given problem is 30, 9, 25 and 4, 90, 5, 15, 20 and 5, 2, 5, 1 and the missing number. When you look at this indicates that using the three numbers you have to get the missing number. That means using these three numbers you have to get this, and similarly using these three numbers you have to get the center number. Okay. For that, first let me consider the numbers as 30, 9 and 25. Now using these numbers I have to get 4. Okay. Now what I'll do, first let me add this 30 plus 9. What is 30 plus 9? It is 39. Let me add once again 39 plus 25. What do I get? Yes, 39 plus 25. Of course it is 64. But I have to get 4 using these three numbers. Now how do I get 4 from 64? Now this looks like cube of 4. That means 4 cube is 64. Now if I take the cube root of 64, I'll get 4. Am I right? If I take the cube root of 64, what I will get? I'll get 4. Let me use the same concept. For that, let me consider the numbers 90, 15 and 20. Now what I have to do? I have to add these numbers. Let me add 90 plus 15 plus 20. Now what is 90 plus 15? It is 105. 105 plus 20? Yes, of course it is 125. But I have to get 5. Whereas 125 is nothing but cube of 5. That is 5 into 5 is 25. 25 into 5 is 125. That means cube root of 125 is what? Cube root of 125 is what? That is 5. So what I have to do? Simply I have to add the numbers and I have to get the cube root of the number to get the missing number. For that, let me consider the numbers 2 plus 5 plus 1. Okay. Now what is 2 plus 5? It is 7. 7 plus 1 is what? 8. Now what I have to do? I have to take the cube root of 8. Cube root of 8. Now what is the cube root of 8? Yes, of course it is exactly 2. Okay. Now let us check the given options. The first option is 1. This is wrong. The second option is 2, which matches with our result. Therefore option 2 is the right option. Now one thing, well friends, now one thing you may ask me that, why should I consider directly addition, or why should I consider directly subtraction, or why should I consider multiplication, division, or squares, cubes and all those things. And this comes only by practice. The more number of problems you practice, the more early you will get the relation. Okay. So what I will ask you to do is resolve more number of problems to get the answer quickly.